Mallah is a beautiful view with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in the distance. I love that part of these journeys where you can just stop and have a little pit stop, have a nice desi tea without sugar, so you can actually taste the tea. And on this particular precinct there appears to be a place called Loaded L'Eto, L'Eto, which is French, slightly more upmarket mall with the Aqsa Live Tandoori, who appear to be doing pizzas as well. And then just a random guy sat there selling grapes. And this is the 3 Mile Chowk, 3 Mila Chowk. And in the distance there, okay, is a wedding hall. As the bike rider starts to hit the open road, and there goes 3 on a bike. There's that a parent and a child. Yeah. Overtaking and then undertaking. Famous Haji Shah Moor. I'm waiting near the jungle. Look what my bestie has brought me. And my bestie's come along saying, look, I know you've been waiting for us on the back of a motorbike. I've brought you some ice cream. How beautiful. Actually, maybe it's not ice cream. It's actually Faluda. And look where I am, in the middle of nowhere. How wonderful. Oh my God. That's not overloaded. That's flipping double overloaded. It's struggling up the hill in first gear. No, we've just been gently wandering along. A nice cool Faluda in the middle of nowhere. Oh, goody. Mangoes, delivery to Mallah, 2 vagabonds. Oh, but it's like, there we go. Leftover fries. Here's the man in Makki Chibatlu. You should walk around and say, Lara Kibudrigu, Alta Beriri. Kids used to stop off many years ago just for these berries. And apparently they've got a wow factor. Oh, we just stopped at the side of the road suddenly. It was like Beriri. They're all attacking the berry. Also they were attacking the berry apparently. Alaiwa. Alaiwa berry. Roll down the hill towards Ghazi Barota. A beautiful view across Ghazi Barota, a power project that provides energy to masses of the area. As they power up the hill, the unmaintained road, 2 on a bike. Genuine signature of Pakistan, the old Bedford truck. So did you know that in Pakistan there's no real car breakdown association, as far as I am aware, like the AA or RAC or National Breakdown or others in Pakistan? It just seems to be every man for himself. And people tell me that when you're a driver or a rider in Pakistan, then you usually have a level of understanding about mechanics and maintenance and basic electrics. And I've seen many of them, if a vehicle is broken down, they'll just open it up, have their tools out, swap a few wires, and off they go again. And there's my bestie flying in the distance with my nephew in Amal Hassan. She's having fun here. Mashallah, that's a beautiful view with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in the distance. This is Haji Shah. I suppose this is the Adda, the centre point. I think they could sometimes call it 0 point. And a stop for taxis. So these are little Suzuki carries that are waiting for the fare. As we start to touch the Grand Trunk Road, Galus Baba Sarkar. There's a shrine not too far from here as well, in the village of Baba Sarkar. From Teknaf in Bangladesh to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in that direction there. The cities of Peshawar, Mardan, Nowshera and many others are in that direction. And on the opposite direction, where we've done a U-turn, is now Rawalpindi, Telegaon and Attock City. The Grand Trunk Road on a beautiful sunny day. It's round about 4:30 and the temperature has lowered, and the Haji Shah board just round the corner. Mallah, Sheesh Mahal, Shadi event hall on the Grand Trunk Road. And on the other side of the road, another pit stop, pizza and burger garage. And finally we arrived to the Mallah Adda from wherever you're watching in the world. I trust you've enjoyed the ride with us on the motorbike. Have a wonderful, blessed day.